In the last lecture, we have seen about the logical connectives. So, what are the logical connectives that we have seen? We have defined the logical connectives. So, again, we refer here the words like and or if then, if and only if, not, are called connectives, and here the symbols, corresponding symbols are given. So corresponding to and, the symbol is given as inverted V. Corresponding to or, symbol is given as V. If then, corresponding symbol is arrow one directional, and for if and only if, it is the line, two directional arrows on the both sides, and the last connective not. So here similarity sign that we have seen in the 9th and 10th. So similarity sign is used. So these are the symbols of the corresponding connectives respectively. Now we want to use these connectives in the different statements. And the last time we have seen the statement, conjunction statement. Now here we explain the disjoint statement. What is meant by disjoint statement? So here first of all we define in short two statements P and Q are connected by connective or called as disjoint statement. This is your definition for the disjoint statement. And now how can you express symbolically? So symbolically written as P or Q, and it is written as P or Q. So thus we have here written the disjoint statement P or Q. Now we want to obtain the rule for disjunction statement. So first of all we discuss the truth table for P or Q. P or Q means a disjoint statement. That disjoint statement is here. So here disjoint statement we follow here in terms of the truth table. So truth into tables. So when parent statements we always denoted by P and Q, and disjoint statement just we have seen here, that is denoted by P or Q. P or Q. So corresponding truth values, that is in terms of T and L, that we put here for the statement P and Q respectively. So order, you have to remember the order how to put the truth values for the statements P and Q. So retain the same order for every truth table. So here we write P is true, Q is true, P is true, Q is false, P is false, Q is true, P is false, and Q is false. So what will be the truth values for your disjoint statement, that is P or Q? So that we see here. So one thing you have to remember here, so that you want to remember here, these truth values we have written here, respective values. So only we want to find out this rule for this disjoint statement. So here only you have to write there this statements, last statement. If P is false and Q is false, then only your disjoint statement P or Q is false, and otherwise your disjoint statement it is true for every value of truth value of statement P and statement Q. So only you have to remember here, if P is true, Q is true, then P or Q is definitely true. P is true, Q is false, then P or Q is again true. P is false, Q is true, P or Q is true. But as P is false and Q is false, definitely disjoint statement gives us the false truth value. and therefore the rule, now we define the rule for this disjunction statement P or Q here. So you have to remember the last as P and Q both are false, then the disjoint statement that is P or Q is false. We write the values here. Now see here, disjunction statement P or Q so is false if both P and Q are false. Symbolically it is written by F. So here blindly we can write here for other values your P or Q is true. So what will be your rule? So as disjoint statement is false if and only if P and Q are both false. So that is, it is false if P and Q are false. Otherwise it is true and it is denoted by T. So now we come to the next connective, that is implication. Here we see on this right implication statement. Again we define the statement, definition of this statement. Implication statement is also called the conditional statement. It is called conditional. It is also called conditional. Conditional statement is also called to the implication statement. So here again two statements connected by if then. The statement is called implication statement or it is called the conditional statement. It is called the conditional statement. So this is the definition for the implication statement. Now we want to write their symbolic form. So how can you express this implication statement symbolically? Symbolically written as P implies Q. P implies Q and it is read as P if then Q. P if then Q. So again we have written symbolically, it is denoted by, for if then always we use the arrow, so it is if P implies Q and it is read as P if then Q, or sometimes we can read as P if P then Q, if P then Q. Now we find the truth table for this implication statement. Implication or other name is that is the conditional statement here. You have to remember both the names here. So again we take the parent statements P and Q here. So P is true, Q is true, P is false, Q is false, P is false, Q is true, P is false, Q is true, Q is false. So what will be the truth value for this conditional statement that is implies here? P implies Q. P implies Q. This is the implication statement or conditional statement. So you write here P is true, Q is true, then P implies Q is true. P is false, Q is true, then P implies Q is false. P is true, I want to express here properly the wrong values here. So only P is false, Q is true, then P implies Q is again true. P is false, Q is false, then P implies Q is again true. So now the term here left, that is P is true, Q is false, then P implies Q is false. So you have to remember only this value for the rule, and otherwise it is true, it is true, it is true. So what will be the rule for this? In simple I can say that for TF value, simply I can say that for TF value your implication statement is false and otherwise it is true. So you have to remember here TF means P is true and Q is false, then only P implies Q is false, otherwise it is true, true, true. So this is the simple rule for to remember this simple manner. Now we write here rule for this implication statement. P implies Q is false if P is true, that is denoted by T, and Q is false, denoted by N. That means P is true and Q is false, that is the TF values. Your implication statement P implies Q is false.